Oh, that didn't focus. There, maybe that's focused.
I just don't want it to go out. There we go. Alrighty, here comes the coals.
What you got in mind?
I'm gonna cook on top of this thing. I ain't got much coals.
Give me a shot.
You need to use any coals for anything?
Probably later on.
They'll probably burn up back.
Might be.
Yeah.
But I think I'm gonna try to cook on the hobo stove again.
All right, I got
Oh, dark matter. He been wanting us to cook outside.
about 3 inches of coal. There ain't very many. I probably need to put some more.
Yeah, that's way down yonder.
Well, got one left. Oh, I lied. Oh, 3. All right, let me shake off this dust. Yeah. Couple of minutes right there, and we're gonna cook some. We're gonna put the pot with it right, the thing right here on it. We're gonna cook directly over the homemade gasifier charcoal starter. Why? Because I think it can be done. We're gonna fry some food on it. Some deep fried mushrooms. No diggity, no doubt. Will it work? We'll find out. Oh yeah. Grease getting hot. But this right here, I always say, your buckets. Look at that. Double dipped. That's liquid flour, and then I put it on top of the dry flour with some you know, soy sauce and some steak sauce. That's what I soaked the mushrooms in. The flour itself, the only ingredient in it is some of them, that Spain's brand. Charcoal steak and pork seasoning. I just got to keep the ashes out the oil. I just want to see if you could fry over 16 inches of charcoal.
Well, not 16 inches of charcoal.
16 inches from
the charcoal.
The charcoal level's right here.
Yeah.
And that's 16 inches using this gasifier. Oh, and I normally don't never do this. I'll use my finger. That's good. Might be too hot. These are the foot, the stool, the neck. I don't know what you call it, but
The stem?
Stem. Probably too hot to eat. Oh yeah, hot.
Yeah.
Too hot. There you go. I've been into it that time. Wow. That's stout. The seasonings I got on it. No diggity, no doubt.
Time to rescue them.
They're golden brown. I got mostly stems in here. which does, to my personal, has a different texture and flavor.
Tastes like a mushroom.
No. These don't. All that stuff I got in there. Woo! I'll tell you what, you ain't gonna eat just one.